Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into the Internet Computer Protocol, ICP, developed by the DFINITY Foundation, often dubbed the World Computer. As 2025 winds down and the current bull market appears to be cooling off, we're left asking a key question. Is ICP still a smart investment heading into 2026, or has its time passed? This video is for informational and educational purposes only. It is not financial advice. Always do your own research and consult a professional before making any investment decisions. In this video, we'll unpack recent data points, trends, and real-world developments around the Internet computer ecosystem. We'll evaluate its technology, adoption, investor sentiment, price action, and broader market context. The goal is to provide a comprehensive, no-fluff perspective so you can determine for yourself whether ICP remains a worthy hold or something to walk away from. Back in 2024, ICP started to make serious waves when artificial intelligence, AI applications began integrating directly into the Internet computer blockchain. That marked a turning point, where this blockchain wasn't just about storing data or running smart contracts. It became a viable platform for AI coding, deployment, and hosting. The network scaled impressively, reaching over 5,000 transactions per second, and even peaked at 12,000 TPS, positioning it as the fastest blockchain in the world. That milestone gave ICP a major edge over legacy competitors like Solana and even Ethereum, whose scaling continues to be limited by design constraints. At the same time, the DFINITY Foundation worked hard behind the scenes to make ICP more globally compliant. They rolled out regionalized subnets that align with jurisdiction-specific data laws, one for the US, another for Europe, and more likely on the way. These changes aren't cosmetic. They're essential for corporations and AI developers who need legally compliant environments to store and process sensitive information. Despite the downtrend in token price, the ecosystem continues to thrive. Projects like KongSwap, Cyclic DeFi, and dozens of others are building out decentralized autonomous organizations, DAOs, using ICP's unique service nervous system, SNS. These projects aren't theoretical, they're functional, with products already launched and in public testing phases. Many of these DAOs and dApps are visible on ICP's dashboard. The infrastructure is robust, the developer community is active, and innovation hasn't stopped. Notably, major banks like Citibank have been engaging with ICP events like the World Computer Summit. While no official partnership has been confirmed, the involvement signals institutional curiosity. Let's not forget DFINITY's base in Switzerland, a financial epicenter. It's speculated that the Swiss government may be quietly supportive of the project, a detail that, while unofficial, adds to the long-term confidence in ICP's development trajectory. Banking institutions are not known for embracing fringe technologies lightly, so their involvement, direct or indirect, is worth noting. Here's where the optimism meets reality. ICP's price history has been turbulent. After launching at nearly $700, the coin tumbled to below $3 by September 2023. From there, it staged a dramatic rebound to over $20 in early 2024, only to decline again throughout 2025. Despite all the technological progress and ecosystem growth, the token price has consistently trended downward. That disconnect between innovation and valuation is frustrating for investors. While some argue it's just market irrationality, others worry it's a sign that the product simply isn't catching on as expected. When examining the metrics on external sites like Token Terminal, we see $47 billion in token trading volume over the past year. Volume spiked in late 2024, aligned with a brief price rally. Since then, both volume and fees have dropped. Revenue from network fees is also lagging, possibly due to the low-fee nature of ICP's design. While usage remains stable, it hasn't grown in a way that excites investors. On one hand, that stability is promising. On the other, it's not the explosive growth many anticipated given the AI narrative. AI integration, reality versus perception. A huge marketing focus in 2025 was AI integration, particularly through DFINITY's launch of Caffeine AI. Initially, the concept drew excitement, but cracks in the narrative emerged. Caffeine AI doesn't run large language models, LLMs, on-chain. Instead, the LLMs operate off-chain, and their output is deployed on the Internet computer. That's an important distinction. ICP is AI compatible, not AI native. Competing chains also allow for LLMs to integrate via APIs. So, while ICP's infrastructure is powerful, its AI capabilities aren't as unique as some assumed. To make matters worse, Definity's marketing has struggled. Branding the product simply as caffeine confused potential users. Billboards and ads lacked clarity, and even the follow-up relaunch didn't address the confusion. There was no subtitle, no mission statement, just the name. That's a missed opportunity. Terminology as a barrier. Definity also suffers from branding complexity. Basic crypto terms are reinvented in ICP's ecosystem. Smart contracts are called canisters. Staking is known as neurons. Bridging is called chain fusion. For most users and developers, this creates a barrier. It requires relearning concepts they already understand from Ethereum, Solana, and others. This friction discourages adoption, and it's a problem that has plagued ICP since its inception. Investors are stuck in limbo. Is it wise to continue holding ICP or cut losses and reallocate elsewhere? The token is currently trading near its macro bottom, and market cap sits at around $2.7 billion, with no major token unlocks ahead. From a risk-reward standpoint, there's reason to believe the downside risk is limited. But without clear signs of price recovery or narrative momentum, some investors are opting to wait on the sidelines or sell off. Others are dollar-cost averaging in, betting that fundamentals will eventually shine through when the hype around less substantive projects fades. Part of ICP's challenge lies not in its tech, but in market behavior. Coins like Sui, Hyperliquid, and even meme coins like Pepe have climbed into the top 15. Solana, largely driven by billionaire backing, continues to dominate headlines, despite bringing little technological advancement this cycle. Meanwhile, coins like ICP with real infrastructure are being overlooked. The market currently favors liquidity, speculation, and narratives over fundamentals. This trend has left solid projects undervalued. Won the bull case. Fundamentals eventually catch up. As hype cycles fade, institutional investors, developers, and retail users turn toward utility-driven ecosystems. ICP reclaims its position as a next-gen computing platform. To the bear case, hype coins retain attention. ICP's marketing and terminology continue to misfire. AI narrative gets sidelined. User adoption plateaus. The coin drifts further into obscurity. It depends on your risk tolerance and investment horizon. From a pure tech perspective, ICP offers some of the most advanced blockchain infrastructure available. From a market perspective, it's an underperformer stuck in a speculative environment. If you're investing based on fundamentals and are willing to wait out the hype cycles, ICP may be a sleeper pick. But if you're looking for short-term gains or meme-like momentum, this isn't it. To wrap things up, ICP's current situation is both compelling and frustrating. Technologically, it's a marvel: fast, scalable, AI-compatible, and globally compliant. But the price doesn't reflect that. The market isn't rewarding fundamentals right now. That could change, or not. As always, do your own research and make decisions aligned with your risk profile and long-term goals. ICP is still building. Whether the world is ready to recognize it remains to be seen. So, what do you think about ICP's current position? Are you bullish on its growth in AI and DeFi? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If you found value in this deep dive, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more breakdowns like this. Thanks for watching. Stay curious, stay cautious, and I'll catch you in the next one.